The old saying goes, life's short, eat dessert first. Well, Katy's Pantry in Enid is the perfect place to put that advice into practice. This 40-year-old establishment started out with several sweet treats and a few lunch items and has blossomed into a full-fledged restaurant since then.
There just wasn't any place to go eat a good piece of pie and to sit and visit and drink coffee. And somehow I kind of got elected to do it. We just had one salad, that was our spinach salad. We had quiche, our menu grew.
Pies, cakes, cookies, bars, pastries, pretty much anything your sweet tooth could desire, you'll find it right here. Everything at Katy's Pantry is handmade and all of the goodies are Katy's personal recipes.
I feel like everything we make is good.
The bakery cases are stocked with several kinds of pies made fresh daily.
Our coconut cream pie was our original pie, and then we went from, to chocolate, and we do a butterscotch, and of course fruit. We kind of started out, fruit pie was a cherry and an apple, and now we do all kinds of fruit pies. We do cheesecake, cinnamon rolls, we do some cherry danishes, and then bars. We do a pumpkin bar that we do year-round. We did the Mississippi Mud, the Hello Dollies, and the lemon bars.
You really can't go wrong with anything you choose from the sweet treats, but folks from the Enid area will tell you Katy's cookies are the best cookies you'll ever taste.
Well, we've always had our cookies. I'll have grown-ups come in and say, I grew up on your cookies.
While you're here picking up something sweet, stay for lunch. The menu includes sandwiches, soups, salads, and more.
I ordered the chicken salad, and it is delicious. I think they roast and pull the chicken themselves, is what I'm guessing, because it's very flavorful. They gave me a tour of the desserts, which are to die for. We got peach to share afterwards.
Katy says the best sellers for lunch are the chicken tetrazzini, the turkey club sandwich, and the grilled cheese.
This is great. I'll come back.
They also offer casseroles and salads ready to go for you to pick up for dinner for you and your family. Plan your trip to Katy's Pantry for delicious goodies and great meals all made with love for the past 40 years.
It's just been here for so long. I hope it's just a fun place to be.